Good morning, students. Take out your EVS book. Now, our second term is finished, is over. Now, we will start our third term syllabus. Okay? So, in third term syllabus, first lesson is water. Lesson number is 10. And you will write here third term. Okay, we will start third term from lesson 10. The name of the lesson is water. Okay. Water is necessary for life. Water is necessary for life. Necessary means basic need. We have to have this. We must have this. हमें वाटर की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है. We don't live without water. Okay? So, can you tell me how many glasses of water do you drink in a day? Yes, you will tell me that how many glasses do we drink in a day. We drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Okay. So, water is necessary for life. Means basic need. Water is basic need for life. Very important. Very important for life. We cannot live without water. We cannot live without water. Okay? All living things need water to live. You have read this in lesson 9. All living things need food and water. Okay? As discussed in class 1, water is used for many purposes. Okay, we use water for many purposes, for many things. Okay, just like number 1, we use water for drinking. We use water for drinking. Number 2, we use water for cooking. We use water for cooking. If we have to cook dal, vegetable or chapati, anything we have to cook, we need water. We use water for cooking. We use water for washing clothes. Our clothes are dirty, then we have to wash our clothes and we use water to wash our clothes. Okay? We use water for washing clothes. We need water for bathing. Okay? When we take bath, we need water. We use water. Without water, we cannot take bath. Okay? We need water for bathing. We need water for washing utensils. Utensils. What is utensil? Bartan. Okay? Glass, bowls, plates, spoons. Okay? All these are utensils. So when we eat meals in utensils, then they become dirty and we have to wash them. Then we wash them with water. So, we need water for washing utensils. We need water for cleaning floors of our houses, offices, etc. Our floors are dirty. Then we need water to wash them, to clean them. Okay? So we need water for cleaning floors of our houses, offices, etc. We need water for watering plants. There are some plants in our houses. Then we need water to give in the plants. Okay? To water, for watering the plants. We need water for watering plants. We put water in the plants. Plants are living things, so they also need water. Okay? Now we will read these uses of water again. Number 1, we use water for drinking. We use water for cooking. We use water for washing clothes. We need water for bathing. We need water for washing utensils. We need water for cleaning floors of our houses, offices, etc. We need water for watering plants. Okay? These are the uses of water. Now read this question. Write 3 more uses of water. Okay, so we will write here. Number 1, we need water to wash our school bag. Okay, or you can write we need water for washing school bag. We need water for washing school bag. Okay. Number 2, yes. Can you tell me? Yes, washing car. We need water for washing car. Yes. We need water for washing shoes. Yes, very good. We can write many more lines. Okay? We have done 3 lines. Read it again. We need water to wash our school bag. We need water for washing car. We need water for washing shoes. Okay? Thus, water is essential for us and we cannot live without it. Essential means necessary. Necessary. Essential means necessary, basic need. Okay? So, water is essential for us. Water is necessary for us. This is our basic need. Water is our basic need. And we cannot live without it. And we cannot live without water. For everything we need water. For drinking, for cooking, for washing clothes, for bathing, for cleaning our houses, for watering plants. So everywhere we need water. So we cannot live without water. Okay? Now you will write here 3 uses of water and you will learn all the uses of water. Okay? Thank you.